Hey, what's up guys, what's going on? Today video is very special for all my viewers, my subscriber, because in this video I will clearly tell you, my friend, to how you will get a very good profit at, my friends, just and only in your personal analysis. And you are, my friend, you just try now for this type analysis, just now for predicate this type, my friend. I'm 100% sure you will betterly understand to how we will get a profit, and how which time, my friend, we will need to starting selling, starting buying. This is a very good decision, my friend, for everyone now to take now to. This is good time for selling, for buying. So in this video I am going to show you, my friend, everything to what you will need to do before you sell, before you buy. Now let's start a brand video, but please, if you are new my channel, click the subscribe button and also press the bell icon for videos notification. First of all, as you can see here, my friend, this time I open it. This time you can see here the CHR chart reason to what's going on this time. This time, as you can see here, the red is CHR selling, and the white, you can see here the green as CHR buying, my friend. So everybody understand this now. First of all, my friends, too, you can see here this time the pupils are trading in very high amount, you can see here, and some people starting buying, some people starting selling. So you will need, my friend, to read the market reason, my friend, to how many people this time starting selling and how many people starting buying. So this time, as you can see here, the chart reason, first of all you will need to check out the chart reason, my friend. This time, as you can see here, the MACD line, that is a MACD line, my friend. As you can see here, this time the pink color, that is the MACD line. And everybody, please try to understand to when they will dumps down from this. You can see here the momentum, you can see here, just check it out, the yellow line, my friend. You can see, sorry, the orange line. So when they will dumps down from the orange line, you will need to understand this is losing time. So therefore I will understand to after this short firm they will dumping down. Yes, remember, my brother, first of all you will need for a training to when they will dumps down from this, you can see here the orange line, my friend. So you will need to understand to MACD line is dumps down, so we will need to starting selling. So 100% you will sell now because they will dumps down like that. As you can see here, just check it out here, my friend. The orange line is moving in upward direction, but definitely you can see here when this pink color, you can see here when they will moving upward, you can see here when they will dumps down. So 100% you can see here the direction is moving downward direction, and they will dumps down. So therefore when they will dumps down, you will understand to this is buying time. But when they will starting moving upward, you will need to starting buying now. So this time, as you can see here, the direction is downward. So therefore I understand to this is selling time. So you will need also, my friends, to starting selling. So this is a very best tip for everyone now to understand to my friends. You will need to do this now. I hope you will be get a very good profit now. All right, so if we check out just and only the time, yes, I'm just clicking out 15 minutes. In last 15, you can see here, my friend, in last 15 the line, you can see here the MACD line is moving in upward direction. So that's clear to the price is increasing in upcoming time. The price, the candle is going to be green now, and they will the price will moving upward now. So therefore you will need to starting buying this time, my friend. All right, and second thing, you will need, my friend, to check out the market result, my friend, to what's going about any coin, my friend. You need to check it out the market result towards the market, what's the volume of this coin, and after that you will need to starting buying, you will need to starting selling. So hope you understand, my friend. All right, so as you can see here, this time I will open it the smooth low fortune SLP token, my friend, and I just show you, my friend. Now this is not a promo video, my friend. I just this is just an only for you example, for example. All right, so I cannot my friends, just suggest you to do buy or sell this coin. All right, so not a promotion. All right, the market cap, if we check out, my friend, first of all we will need to check out the coin market cap. The market cap, as you can see here, is losting 0.36%. The market cap is losting. And if we see check it out this time the volume, so the volume is also decreasing, the price is also decreasing. You know why? These three are completely as the same, you can see here. So therefore I will tell you, my friend, so you will need to read out this specially and guess this now, my friend. So therefore when I read these three, my friend, first of all you will need to check out the volume, my friend. You know, because when volume is increasing, 100% the market cap is increasing now. So therefore I will suggest you to, first of all you will need to check out the volume. But before volume you will need to check out, my friend, to my friend, this time you can see here when a holder starting selling, remember, to the volume is decreasing. When a holder starting buying, then the volume is increasing. So therefore everything is depend on holders now, my friend. So you will need to check out the market cap volume. Yes, because when the volume is increasing, that's mean, my friends, to people starting buying. So you will also need to starting buying. So this is the best tip for everyone. Please follow this. I hope they will give you a profit. All right, so when volume is increasing, I will prove you, my friend, then the market cap is increasing. So therefore, when the market cap is increasing 100%, my friend, the price is also increasing now. So therefore, that's true, my friend, for everyone. So you will need, my friend, to first of all check it out the volume, and after that market cap, and after that you will need to check out the price result. So 100%, my friend, I hope you will be better understand now, my friend, and you will need to do this. I hope they will give you a profit now. So my friend, if we check out just and only the chart result, after that you will need to also check out the chart result to what's going on this time in the chart result. The chart result is you can see here the price line is moving in upward direction. So that's mean to they will moving upward from resistance line. Remember, you will need to check out first of all before selling, buying, to the coin momentum. You can see here the line momentum, this coin momentum, the chart result momentum, you can see here as moving downward from resistance line or upward from resistance line. So that's clear this time. You can see here, my friend, they will moving upward from resistance line. So 100% you will need to starting buying this time, because my brother, as you can see here, just check it out, this for a short time they will jumps down from resistance line, but urgently suddenly they will again moving upward from resistance line. So that's mean to that is just an only temporary dump. You will never need to starting selling. All right guys, so 100% after this dump they will again pumps up. So because every coin will moving in this circulation, you can see here after a dump they will pumps up. So therefore I will notify you, my viewer, my subscriber, to after this dump they will also pumps up. So you will need to understand this now. All right guys, so that is just an only for you, my friends, to analyze this coin. All right, so analyze the chart, analyze this coin, my friend. So you hope you understand, my friend. And what's prediction, my friend? You know, everybody understand this too. Prediction as mean, my friends, to in upcoming time can the coin will moving upward or downward. This is a very important, especially for short time investor. Yes, because short time investor is starting buying in the morning but sell at the night. So therefore you will need to check out the prediction, my friend. Absolutely, in this channel also we will predicate a lot of coin, my friends. So kindly, if you want now, so subscribe this channel. I hope, my friends, you will watch our prediction video, you will betterly understand. But if you also understand to what's prediction, you will never need to watch any video now. So please be focused now and just my friends, watch this video, don't skip. All right, so prediction, my friend, you will need to first of all check it out, my friends, to in upcoming time the price will moving upward or downward. For that you will need to check it out. For example, you will need to just check it out, my friends. I just check it out. If you are a long time investor, you will need to check out the last 3 month, last 1 month, last 1 year chart. But if you are a short time investor, you will need to last check it out the last 7 days, last 3 days, last 2 days, last 24-hour result, to understand better to this coin will give you a profit or losing now. So therefore we will understand here, my friends, something very special now for everyone. For a long time investor, what's the prediction, my friend, for a long time? As you can see, your last 3 month result, I already opened it, and from last 3 months, you can see here, especially in last 1 month, I think this is, you can see here, just check it out, the date 11/27 2021. You can see here 2021. So that's mean, my friends, to in last 1 month, from last 1 month, from last 20 days, the coin is completely dumps down, completely losing. So therefore this coin is very very good now for buying, because you can see the direction is starting moving upward from last 1 to 2 days now. So that's clear, my friend. Remember, I hope this is my friend, a good time for SLP to they will give you a profit. But yes, my brother, absolutely. Sometimes they will also dump. This is temporary. If this is temporary dump, you will need to, my friends, to don't see this and just ignore this. But if this is, you will understand. This is permanent. So 100% buy it, because this is a good time, my friend, for YouTube. Get a very good profit now. So from last 1 month, 20 days, my friends, they will dump down. You will need to starting buying, because 100% after a dump they will pumps up. So therefore my prediction is completely tell this, my friends, to in upcoming time this coin will give you a very good profit now. So I hope, my friends, today will give you a very good profit. Absolutely, after a dump every coin will pumps up. So therefore my prediction is going positive now at this time. All right, so for a long time you will need to check out like this. All right, but if we check out, my friend, the short time, so let's check out, my friend, the last 7 days chart. For last 7 days chart, as you can see here, this time the condition is very good now. So therefore for a long time investor, I also tell you, my friend, to they will moving upward, you will need, my prediction is going positive. So that's mean to my prediction is going to be right now. All right, so just in only you will need to understand the method of price prediction. So this time also, my friend, as you can see here, the price is totally increasing and give you a profit. So this is a very important now for everyone, my friend. You can see here to understand now. This time the price is totally moving in upward direction, and they will pumps up from resistance line, but sometimes they will dumps down. So holders are doing very huge mistake. They are starting selling. Don't do this mistake, my brother, because this is a very big mistake to sometime when they will temporarily dumps down, holders starting selling. Remember, to this time they will moving upward, you will need to suddenly starting buying, because my brother, when the coin will pumping up, the coin will moving upward, absolutely you will understand to they will give me a profit. The price is increasing, so that's true my friend, to they will give you a profit. So therefore you will need to starting buying. So this time also my prediction is going positive. And how you will predicate my friend, just check it out this my friend. Hope you will better understand now. As you can see here, I draw a two lines my friend this time. You can see here, sorry. Alright, sorry. Okay, so this is the one line. You can see here, this is the second line. These both line my friend, you can see here, the first line touch the highest point, the second line touch the lowest point. So my friend, if we check out just in only to which momentum they will moving my friend. So first of all, you can see here they will moving upward, and after that they will dumps down, and after that you can see here they will again pumps. You can see here they will moving in this direction my friend. Every coin is moving in this direction, and I am 100% sure they will moving upward after this jump. So therefore you will need to my friend check it out this time my friends, to at this point the direction is moving in upward direction, or they will dumps down. So you will need to check out the momentum of any coin my friend. So hope you will understand, to in upcoming time they will give you a profit or losing. So hope you understand my friend. Alright, SLP coin holder, if we check out this time, you can see here the MACD. You can see this is a very important now for everyone now. So kindly understand this, to what is this. You can see here, this is completely show you my friend, to this day they will give you a profit, this day they will give you a loss. So this is all dates my friend. You can see here every day, you can see here they will give you a profit. So you will need to check out the last day's result to can they will moving upward or losing, they will profit, or they will in the loss. So therefore you will need to check out this. So hope you understand. And second out my friend, you will need to check out the Twitter result my friend, to what's going on this time on Twitter, what people say, what experts say about this coin. You will also need to check out the Twitter now. So I hope you will better understand my friends, what's our prediction, what's our technical analysis, what's everything I explain in this video. Hope if you understand this, and if you my friends do this, I hope you will be get a very good profit, and every day, every month, especially short-term investor, long-term investor, both. Alright, so thanks for watching. Kindly for prediction videos, for more this type informative and tips and tricks videos, subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for videos notification. Hope you subscribe it. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz, take care.